What's up, pilots and anglers? Today, we are reviewing a beast of a machine that is changing the game for long-distance reconnaissance and payload delivery. This isn't just a drone, it's a dedicated aerial utility vehicle. This is the S880 Max Fishing GPS drone, and its spec sheet reads like a dream. Unbelievable range and ultra-long endurance. Let's talk about the two biggest numbers the S880 Max delivers: 20 kilometers of flight distance and a 50-minute flight duration. Yes, you heard that right, 20 kilometers. With its powerful signal transmission, you can explore territories up to 800 meters high and fly farther than almost any drone in its class. Powering this marathon flight is an 11.4V 9800 mAh fast-charging battery, giving you nearly an hour in the air. When you finally land, the battery supports a convenient 2-hour fast charge via USB, minimizing downtime so you can get back to scouting your next great location. Pro-grade optics and stability. If you're flying 20 kilometers out, you need absolute confidence in your footage. The S880 Max delivers with an 8K dual camera system that records crystal clear 4K video. Crucially, this system is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal. This is what separates the toys from the tools. The gimbal provides superior stability and smoothness, ensuring that whether you're cruising over a mountain range or dealing with a level 5 headwind, your image feedback remains clear and steady. The advanced digital image transmission technology maintains that high-quality image clarity back to the remote, even in complex environments. The Fisher's Edge Airdrop capability. Here is the feature that gives this drone its name: the integrated airdrop function. This is a game changer for fishing, search and rescue, or just simple, long-distance delivery. You can effortlessly drop bait, fishing lines, or small safety supplies with precision right from the remote. The S880 Max is built to handle the payload and execute the delivery flawlessly. Smart control and maximum safety. The control experience is truly intuitive. We have a dedicated touchscreen remote control that lets you view all your real-time flight data and the live camera feed without needing to attach a separate phone or tablet. Safety is covered with an intelligent obstacle avoidance device. What's unique here is that the device is remotely controlled to lift and lower, giving you intelligent, on-demand protection to navigate tight spots and tricky landings. The S880 Max, with its 20-kilometer range, 50-minute flight time, 8K camera, and crucial airdrop function, is engineered for professional tasks and serious adventure. If you were to get the S880 Max, what's the first place you'd fly it to test those full 20 kilometers range? Let me know in the comments.